Today, we're gonna draw a cute and cozy penguin. I'm gonna start with my penguin's head. I'm gonna make a nice round head for my penguin. I'm gonna stop a little bit at the top and I'm just gonna create some cute little tufts of hair for him. And then finish off his head. Penguin's gonna be wearing a cozy scarf, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little round shape here at the bottom while we get started on his face. So I'm gonna draw part of my penguin, most of my penguin black, but he does have some white parts of his face, and so what we're gonna do is we're going to draw a line here, bring it at a little arch at the top, and then do the same for the other side. I'm gonna make my penguin nice and happy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create his little beak right here, which is pretty much just a triangle that we're gonna color in yellow later. And then I'm gonna draw some big cute eyes. We're gonna draw some ovals in one corner. And then some little circles at the bottom and the opposite side. Now, if you watched our cute fox video, we're gonna make the scarf pretty much the same. So I'm gonna take one end of the scarf here, with a little fold, and then I'm gonna finish off the scarf on the other side. We're gonna create the lines for the end of the scarf here. And there we go. Now I'm gonna draw the body of my penguin. I'm gonna make my penguin a little cozy and stout. I'm gonna start with one of his fins though. Here. And part of a fin on the other side, right there. I'm gonna make my penguin a little round, so he's gonna go like this. I'm gonna be coloring in this part black, so it's okay to make a little bit of a mistake here. And then I'm going to draw his little fins. He's gonna have 3 toes, some nice big fins that help him swim. And then for my penguin, I'm gonna draw a nice big white belly. I'm going to start by coloring in the scarf, and I'm going to make my penguin scarf blue, but you can go ahead and make your penguin scarf whatever color you want. We're going to go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring part. Next, I'm going to color the fins and the beak of my penguin yellow. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and color in the black portions of my penguin. That's going to be most of his body. I'm gonna leave his belly and his face white. going to take my smaller black marker and I'm just going to clean up my lines a little bit and add just a couple more details to the scarf. And there we have it, a cute and cozy penguin. If you like drawing along with me, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.